Coaching conversations are powerful tools for personal and professional development. When done right, they can lead to significant growth and transformation. However, not all coaching conversations are successful. There are several reasons why coaching conversations fail, and understanding these reasons are crucial for both the coaches and the coachee. So, here are some common reasons why coaching conversations fail and how to make them successful. Number one, absence of trust. Trust serves as the cornerstone of any coaching relationship. Without trust, it becomes tough for the coach and the coachee to share openly and honestly with one another. Cultivating trust requires time and commitment from both the individuals. Trust creates space for vulnerability, which is crucial for growth and progress. Number two, inadequate communication. When there is lack of communication between the coach and the coachee, it hinders understanding of each other's viewpoints and objectives. Clear and transparent communication promotes comprehension, empathy, and teamwork. It empowers the coach to offer insights and guidance while ensuring that the coachee feels heard and supported. Number three, differences in goals. Successful coaching hinges on both the coach and the coachee sharing an understanding of their objectives. If their goals are not aligned, making headway can be challenging. Clearly defining and aligning goals ensures that coaching sessions are purposeful and efficient. It enables both parties to strive towards a shared goal while monitoring progress effectively. Number four, resistance to change. Making changes can be tough as many individuals tend to resist them. When a person being coached resists change, it can be challenging to move in coaching discussion. Dealing with resistance is crucial for fostering growth and progress. Empathy, patience, and support from the coach here can be key in helping the coachee overcome their fears and limitation. Number five, lack of dedication. Successful coaching requires both the coach and the coachee to be fully dedicated to the progress. Without commitment from either party, the effectiveness of coaching diminishes. Dedication involves staying consistent, persevering through challenges, and actively participating in setting goals and taking steps towards achieving them. Number six, ineffective inquiry. Meaningful questioning plays a key role in guiding the coachee through exploring their thoughts and emotions. When questions are not framed correctly, progress can be hindered. Thoughtful inquiry promotes self-reflection, deep understanding, and clarity for identifying barriers and devising strategies for growth. And finally, insufficient input. Feedback is essential for coaching experience. Without feedback from the coach, coachee may struggle to pinpoint areas needing improvement. Giving feedback in a positive manner allows the person who is receiving it to recognize areas where they can improve, acknowledge their achievements, and also monitor their advancements. This approach nurtures an atmosphere for learning and personal growth, encouraging development and enhancement. By prioritizing preparation, active listening, and providing constructive feedback, both the coaches and the coachee can make their coaching conversation more successful with meaningful outcomes. I hope this was insightful. If you are a new coach or want to know more about how can you get coached, do reach out to me.